Hi friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today we are talking about Young Living's August Essential Rewards promotions. If you aren't exactly sure what Essential Rewards are, I have a whole video explaining the whole program in depth, and I will link that in the description box below for you. We'll just get right into it. August theme is so cool. It is a vitality cooking theme. So if you didn't know, Young Living has two sets of oils. They're regular labeled oils. Those are mainly used for diffusing, putting them topically on your skin. And then there is the Vitality line, and those are labeled for internal ingestion. So you can cook with them, you can put them in a veggie capsule and take them internally. You can put some in your water and get the benefits in that way. And it's so great that they have a whole line dedicated to this so that you know that they are safe for internal ingestion. And this month in August, it's all about cooking and grilling with essential oils. So if you spend 100 PV on the Essential Rewards program in August, you are gonna get a 5 ml of Thyme Vitality. I love cooking with Young Living's herbs, especially because I don't always have herbs on hand. I have never tried the thyme essential oil, so I am really excited, especially as fall is coming along. I cook a lot more with herbs in the fall with roasts and things like that. And thyme is an ingredient in longevity blend, so it has some good immunity boosting properties. If you spend 190 PV, this is a good one. You get two. You get black pepper vitality and parsley vitality. First of all, parsley, I was gonna say it's my favorite herb. It's close. It's between parsley and rosemary, but I love the smell, taste of parsley. So I'm so excited to get this to have in my pantry when I'm cooking and don't have the fresh parsley on hand. I love making a paste with parsley and garlic and olive oil, and that's a great sauce for fish and chicken and even vegetables. The other one you get at this level is black pepper. Oh, this is such a good one. So I use black pepper daily actually. I put a drop in my Ningxia Red concoction. I do 1 ounce and 2 of Ningxia Red, which is their antioxidant immunity supporting puree that I drink every single day. I put in the Ningxia Red. I fill the rest up with soda water from my soda stream. And then my go-to Vitality essential oils to add are lemon and black pepper. Now, black pepper sounds kind of weird to add to a drink that's basically a juice puree, but I'm telling you, it adds such an amazing flavor and it's really energizing. And I found out, I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on this, but black pepper, I'm pretty sure, is in their Zing product, which is their kind of like an energy drink. So I think it's really uplifting. The other use of black pepper that I engage in is for cooking. Specifically, this is kind of bougie, but like ground black pepper kind of throws off the aesthetics of some dishes. You don't want to see those black specks. This is extra, I admit it. And they do sell white pepper, but I just never have that on hand. So if I'm wanting the black pepper flavor, but without the black specks in my food for presentation purposes, I love being able to just add 1 drop of the Vitality black pepper. And that's the thing, when using this with cooking, you only need 1 drop pretty much. It's so strong because it's distilled, and yeah, black pepper is one of my favorite Vitality oils. That's $190. If you spend $250, oh, there's 2 at $250. So you get everything, as these build, you get everything that I already talked about. At $250, you get Mountain Savory. I don't have any experience with the Vitality nor the regular Mountain Savory, but I do think it has some immunity support. It, I am told, is a lot like oregano, which is such a good herb in cooking and also really good for immunity support. And then orange. I love adding orange to my soda water. This is kind of maybe controversial, but I make guacamole and I oftentimes will add lime essential oil, obviously, but one time I think I was out of lime or maybe just feeling a little experimental and I added orange to my guacamole and I really liked that play on it. I mean, it's orange. You can do so many things with orange and it's just great to diffuse. My son loves citrus oils diffusing and orange is one of his go-tos. So that's a $2.50. Okay, then there are 2 more levels. There's an extra level this month. For 300 PV, you get all of that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oils and a charcuterie board. A fun little like cutting board type thing that's branded. It's beautiful and you can bring it outside as you're grilling, have a dinner party and have meats and cheeses, and it's really cool. And then, as I said, there's a 400 PV level this month, which is pretty rare, and you get an apron set. Again, it's branded. I usually don't like the branded things. I feel like a lot of companies are a little cheesy in their stuff, but I like most of Young Living's branded stuff, and I looked at both of these and they seem really awesome. So those are the promos for August on the Essential Roads program. Again, I have a video in the description below that talks all about it, and this month's theme is all about cooking with your essential oils as we slow down summer and say goodbye. If you are new to essential oils and want to get started, I would love to be the one to help you and hold your hand as you embark on your oily adventure. The best way to get started is to follow my link below, pick up your premium starter kit, and count that as your first Essential Rewards order. You're already spending the money. You'll get into this program, and just for doing that, you will get a free bottle of that Thyme essential oil that I talked about at that 100 mark. Plus, I'm gonna send you a $25 credit to your Young Living account personally that you can use whenever you want, and I'd love to brainstorm with you on what oils or products could benefit you at this time. And we have some fun Facebook groups and education, and I'm just so excited to welcome you and answer all your questions. So sign up with that link below or send me a message. I'm on Instagram at takecaremama, one word. And regardless of whether you sign up or maybe you're already a member with someone else, I would love to connect with you on the Instagram. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.